Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Rival hood lift kits available for the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT, as well as the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. These gas-charged hood lift kits include everything you need for a super simple bolt-on install that's been designed to be compatible with your factory Jeep hood. Now, once it's installed, it's capable of lifting and supporting your hood of your Jeep totally hands-free, of course, after you release those hood catches, and without the need for that factory hood prop rod. One other thing you'll notice is just how far back the fenders, the gas struts, are being mounted close to that firewall, and because of that, once they're installed and holding your hood in the open position, you have a virtually unobstructed working area here under the hood of your Jeep without that prop rod right in the middle of your grille. As I mentioned, these kits include everything you need for an easy bolt-on install, starting with two heavy-duty, high-quality, German-made Stabilus gas struts, along with all of the custom-formed brackets and hardware needed for that install. Each of the brackets have been precision bent to match the contours on the underside of your hood for an installation that requires absolutely no modification to your vehicle. In fact, I bet you can complete this install in under 15 minutes with just a few simple hand tools. On a Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT, we simply need to remove one 10mm bolt found here on the fender. With that bolt out of the way, we can set the lower gas strut mounting bracket into place and secure it with that existing factory bolt. Next, we can grab one of the M6 mounting screws along with a washer and one of the upper strut mounting nut plates. Go ahead and start by threading that screw into the nut plate and then slipping the nut plate through the existing hole found on the underside of your hood. Then you can thread the remaining screw along with the washer into the lower threaded hole on that nut plate. Now, with both screws in place, because of the slotted design of the upper strut mounting plate, we'll simply set it in place on the lower screw and pivot it up behind the top screw, securing it with a 4mm Allen key. Now, with both brackets on one side, next thing we have to do is to go ahead and install the matching brackets on the opposite side of the Jeep, at which point we're ready to go ahead and install the gas struts. Now, it's important to pump them about 5 times just to let them cycle through before we install them. And then we can go ahead and install one of the struts here with the body side down towards the fender by simply snapping it in place onto the pivot ball on the lower bracket, and then snap the upper portion of the strut into the pivot ball on the hood side bracket. That's all it takes to get your Rival hood lift kit installed on your 18 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT. Now, the installation procedures are slightly different, but very similar for the earlier 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. If you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Rival hood lift kit for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the kit or how to get it installed on your Jeep, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.